Welcome back, everybody, to another episode of MYOG, Make or Modify Your Own Gear. And today our MYOG is really centered around this beanie that I reviewed not that long ago. This has been a very good beanie. I've been wearing it all winter. And one of the main reasons I got it, besides being a inexpensive option if somebody doesn't want to pay for a merino wool one, was because of this Velcro patch area on it. And I said I had something for that later on. Today you get to see it. And that's this right here. Now, what is this? This is what we're going to be building today. I'm sure you already know by looking at the description down below. And here it is, actually holding the Sofrin HS10 headlamp. And that will Velcro right on there. So you don't have to use the headband if you don't want to. Best part about this is this comes off. You can put this whole thing in your pocket, in your backpack, whatever. If your backpack has a Velcro section on it, then you can stick this right on your backpack. And unlike the headlamp, if you break the rubber bands, you're kind of out to pasture. You're done. You might have to get a hold of the company and get a new headband. But with this, if you break one of these, they're replaceable. Let me show you that. So here they are, these nice little O-rings, Velcro right in there. Look at that, ain't that something? And they're completely replaceable. So, we're going to get into what you need for this MYOG and everything, but first I want to talk about these O-rings. So here's one of these O-rings we're going to be using. I will provide a link down in the description where you can get these on Amazon. Unfortunately, you have to buy 40 of them at a time. You could try a local hardware store. Now, what this is this is a number 211 O-ring. Now, the specs on this are, it is 13/16 inside diameter and 1 1/16 outside diameter. It's 1/8 of an inch thick. But beyond that, what you also need is you need a durometer, a soft durometer. Now, what durometer means, you see how I can stretch this? Here is the exact same O-ring, but this is a 90 durometer. This is a 50 durometer. I cannot stretch this. This is like a hard rubber. This is a soft rubber. About a 40 durometer is what you would get with a normal rubber band. So, these are 50 durometer. These are perfect for our application. Link in the description. Another thing you're going to need for this, if you decide to use the hot knife technique that I've shown on other videos, is a template. This is what we will be cutting our fabric out of. This is the shape. These outside wings that get folded over are about 12 millimeter or 1/2 inch. It also helps to have just a card size that's right in here. And you'll see this in action. Materials. Besides the O-rings, you're going to need 3/4 of an inch webbing of whatever color you want. This is 3/4 inch, or I believe it's 18 millimeter in metric. You're going to need 3/4 inch hook and loop Velcro. We got the loop on one side, hook on the other. This is also 3/4 inch or 18 millimeter. You're also going to need 2-inch hook Velcro or 5 centimeter. Thread, all that good stuff, a sewing machine, and a little bit of time. So let's get into it. What I'm going to try on this MYOG is I'm going to try not to talk until the end of the video. Maybe play a little music. So let me know in the comment section below what you think of this format. So let's get started. Well, the next thing we can do is go outside and I'll show you what this looks like. You see how to make it? I've given you the measurements. Go ahead and make it or don't make it. That's entirely up to you. But that will complete this episode of MYOG. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day or night wherever you are in the world. Kira, say good night. Thank you.